Here's Mike McKee.
Well, we've been waiting for some good news on jobless claims, and we don't get it today. They went up to 362,000 from 351,000. That's the unrevised number. We've got the revised number here. It was not revised, so it's 351,000. So an increase in jobless claims for a third week in a row, which is a little bit odd given the situation. And remember how many people in Congress said we were going to see a lot, and governors said we were going to see a lot more people getting jobs because the extended federal benefits went away. And in this case, they did not. But we do see a huge drop in the number of people overall getting benefits. This is the first week where we get the data because it's 2 weeks delayed on what happened after February 6th when the extended federal benefits go away. The drop is 6,222,000 to 6,222,000 people no longer getting federal jobless benefits. We're down to just 5 million from over 11 million. And a year ago, it was 27 million. So a big change in the number of people getting jobless claims, but the number of people filing first-time claims goes up for the day. We also got the third read on second quarter GDP, goes up by 1/10 to 6.7%. Personal consumption, our spending marked up by 1/10 to 12% from 11.9%. So that's probably much of how that is accounted. So good news, but definitely rearview mirror. Today's the last day of the third quarter. So we'll be looking at the end of the month for the third quarter GDP numbers, which are not particularly good.
Wrong kind of upside surprise on claims then, 362 against an estimate of 330. This was never going to be a big market mover. It's not. Equity futures still positive 18, up 0.4%. Yields still higher by a couple of basis points at 153.41. The dollar still stronger. Euro dollar 115.81. It's on to non-farm payrolls next Friday. Before we get there, we've got an ISM tomorrow. Non-farm payrolls next Friday, Tom, 500K. That's the estimate from a previous read of 235. Early days, but that's the estimate so far.
Early days is the key phrase. I think we're going to see some adjustment as we move on to that, and we will do that very much so next week.